Welcome back to another episode of What the Fork. Tonight we're making the almost famous turkey chili. We're going to waste no time, get right into it. We're going to get a pot with some oil, and we're going to add a tablespoon of minced garlic. Get the garlic mixed up, and we're going to let the garlic cook till it starts to sizzle. Once it starts to sizzle, go ahead and grab 1 pound of ground turkey. Just get everything broken up. We'll mix that together. And then here, we're going to add the gourmet burger seasoning from Weber. The reason I like this seasoning, it has a little bit of a smoky flavor to it, and it has a lot of other spices in it. Really, really good. Sometimes I add it to turkey burgers when I'm making those on the grill. So just go ahead and sprinkle a little bit of that on there. And we're going to go ahead and get the turkey mixed up. Make sure the seasoning spreads evenly around. And then from here, we're going to add the Bush's Chili Magic Chili Starter, the mild kind. You can find this at your local grocery store. They've been selling out a lot for some reason for these. I like it. It's really good. So pick that up at your local grocery store. Just open it up and just dump the whole can inside the pot. And then here, you're going to got your Rotel mild tomatoes with the green chilies. Dump that in there. And then we're going to add some ketchup. And you're going to do 3 seconds for the ketchup. So it's 1, 2, 3. That's it. Then once our ketchup is in there, then we're going to add a dash of chili powder. Just get that sprinkled on. Not too much. Just need a little dash. And then from here, you're going to add just a dash of cumin. Now, this is the perfect recipe for a busy night, especially if you have a lot of kids, or if it's a night where you just don't want to cook. You just dump everything into the pot, mix this meal up, and you have a nice, good, healthy meal. You have enough to last you for the next 2 days if it's just you, or if it's you and your spouse or whoever. But, it makes a good amount, and you can use it on another day. So we just put the top on and let that cook for like 10 minutes. And once it's off, you can salt to your taste, whatever you prefer. If you like a little more salty, add more salt. If you don't, just add a little bit. And then depending on how hot you want your chili to be, you can add your pepper. So I'm just going to do some sriracha. You can add more or less depending on how hot you want it. And just get everything mixed up. Once everything's mixed up, I'm going to go ahead and plate the chili up. So now you can do this over rice, or here I'm going to go with tortilla chips. I'm going to sprinkle a little bit of Mexican 4 cheese on here. Then I'm going to add the chili, and then you can just top it off with some nice sour cream, some jalapenos. There you go. Almost famous turkey chili right here on What the Fork. Make sure you hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, hit the notification button. So that way I come looking for you. You don't got to come looking for me.